Hi, I am Jacqui Tyson, and it's Easter time. What better time it is to enjoy my favorite bun, which is Miss Birdie, made by Purity Bakers. And then Easter is never complete in Jamaica without bun for breakfast. So here we go. You a French toast done with bun. Then I did a poached egg and some smoked marlin, cheese sauce, and gave you a different type of eggs Benedict. Because you know why? The saltiness and the sweetness of the smoked marlin and the softness of the egg would go great with the bun. Try it. Then there was bun in a hole. You simply make a hole in your bun, put it in your frying pan, and drop your egg. You can also put it on a baking sheet and put it in the oven, and there you go. Bun, egg in a hole, in a bun hole. Then there was sprat. You know, every Easter we don't do Easter without the fish. They always make a big plate of sprat, leave it on the table. It is a snack food. Then, what better way to eat a burger than bun and burger? Now, you simply just replace the burger roll with the bun. It's great for the kids. It's a great go-to. And then you add some bacon because the saltiness just turn on the sweetness. And then you put some cheese, forget the lettuce and tomato, done. Then there is your bun breaded. Now, you never think about it, but you can actually crumble the bun, make breadcrumbs, and this is your snapper fillet, your bassa, your salmon. You just bread it in the bun, lightly pan-sear it, finish it in the oven, throw on your regular white sauce, and or any of your favorite fish sauce, right? Then it's seafood time because we can eat so much fish and not enough. This time of the year, grab your lobster. So we did a stuffed baked lobster gratin, which means that we put a hollandaise, and then we sprinkled again some of that same bun crumbs on top, with a little sweetness, a little fruity. It's a combination to die for. Throw some vegetables with that. It's a different kind of dinner. So there you got it. That's why we're going on this organized lockdown. Bun, 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 and more bun. Try my Purity bun, Miss Birdie. It's my favorite.
Right.